Here we go again. Well, now we have another document. We saw this one before. You can see that they are attached to the page. Sorry, this is moving. Okay, so we saw this one. We had a look at this one, and we are going to look at this one, which we have here. Picture description, a fine document. Thank you, Maria Cristina CB, because it's not my document, but this is a very, very useful document. You have guidelines to describe a picture, okay? Well, to start with, in number one, you have a layout of places in how to talk about places in a picture. In the top left-hand corner, this one, at the top, in the middle, at the bottom, on the right, not in the right, on the right and on the left. In the background, en la parte de atrás, in the foreground, en la parte de delante. ¿Vale? Okay, this you can practice. And you have the document, you'll have the document. Then you have expressions to say, to guess, to make assumptions. For example, Lucia, can you?
I think, guess.
I guess, I suppose.
Maybe, perhaps. I'm not sure. They seem to be.
Parece que son.
It's not very clear. I can,
could, might, etc. ¿Vale? Parece, yo pienso, maybe, perhaps. This will enrich your language a lot. Then you have look like. What is look like? Parecerse a algo. ¿Vale? I always tell the same anecdote. One time my wife said, Paco, you look like George Clooney. And I said, what? Are you crazy? And she said, well, it's only the hair, sorry. Okay? You can also say look plus an adjective. Alright? Good. Then, paraphrasing. Very important. Paraphrase if you don't know the word. For example, Lucia, how do you say mandolina in English?
I don't know.
You don't know. ¿Pero qué es una mandolina?
I think it's an instrument.
It's an instrument. Good. Ya tenemos algo de información. Good. It's similar to?
I don't know
very well.
But I think it's or a guitar or an harp.
It's like a guitar. It's like a guitar. Si vais a Google veis que una mandolina es como una guitarra. Y si no sabéis decir mandolina no pasa nada. It's like a guitar. Como una guitarra. It's a kind of a guitar, but different. It's a sort of guitar. A veces es mejor, no, o sea, demuestras más conocimiento lingüístico si puedes describir el objeto, aunque no sepas la palabra, que si te has empollado la palabra. Por ejemplo, how do you say abridor in English?
Opener.
It's an opener. Or a corkscrew. Pero si no lo sabéis, ¿qué podéis decir? It's used to open bottles. It's you know, it's what you use to open a bottle. It's used for opening. You use it to open. Right? I don't know what it is called, but the word for it, or the word for it, but, ¿vale? Utilizarlo os va a ayudar muchísimo. Sobre todo si no sabéis palabras, y ya os digo, muestra un mayor conocimiento de la lengua. Vale. Luego habrá que dar la opinión también. In my opinion, as I said, I suppose, I would personally, from my point of view. Y esto es una cosa muy importante. Lucía, I'm going to ask her in Spanish. ¿Qué harías si tuvieses un perrito debajo de la mesa de tu cocina? Stop. ¿Qué ha hecho Lucía? ¿Ha hecho? Ah, ¿por qué? Porque le he hecho una pregunta que no se esperaba. ¿Y qué está haciendo ella? Ganar tiempo. Está haciendo porque está pensando que va a responder. She's thinking what to say. She's buying time. And you have ways to buy time. Well, I mean, let me see, los americanos lo dicen mucho. Let me see, ¿qué haces con eso? Utilizarlo. Pensad vuestras respuestas. ¿Vale? Lucía, how would you like to remember?
What do you say?
What are you saying? ¿Qué le ha pasado? No he entendido nada porque he hecho de tonterías, ¿vale? Pero hay veces que necesitamos clarificar. Entonces, ¿cómo podemos decir? Estos son un poquito complicados, ¿eh? Pero utilizarlos para poder decir, sorry? Can you repeat that again? Pardon? I beg your pardon? Es normal que a veces no entendamos cosas, incluso en nuestra lengua, ¿vale? ¿Ok? Bien. O sea que con esto, el miércoles lo vamos a utilizar. Le voy a dar a Lucía un segundito para describir una foto, ¿vale? Y luego os explico una cosita más, ¿de acuerdo? Okay? Well, now, Lucia, we're going to describe the picture. You have it here, picture for picture description. Lucia, what can you see in the picture?
In the first picture.
Yeah, in this one. Yeah, this one. No, not this one. Yeah, the first picture.
I see
You can see what?
some people sitting in chairs. I think they are talking or eating.
Good.
And are under a big tree.
Very good.
In
Where are they? What do you think? Is it maybe in England or not?
No, I don't know.
What season is it?
Summer.
I think probably the summer. You see a lot of light.
And
I'll show you another one. What about this one picture? With this picture on the one on the left, on the right, sorry. What can you see?
I see a beach, but I don't see. The sea is very
Very far away, yes?
and is with a lot of people.
With a lot of people. What are they doing?
I don't see anything but are playing.
They're playing, they are sunbathing. Aquí podéis aprovechar para utilizar vocabulario chulo que hayáis aprendido. Sunbathing, por ejemplo, que es tomar el sol. Alright? Yes? Well, with this, I will stop for the day. We've done the picture description. For next day, for the speaking session, I will prepare activities, so you know in advance. And also, yes, and I'll also prepare some materials for EOICEPA. This I will show you for now. This is the calendar changed. I will prepare a post. Prepararé un post. Pero veréis que de las pruebas de EOICEPA se han modificado las fechas, evidentemente. Y serán entre el 25 de mayo y el 19 de junio. Orales. The oral will be between the 25th of May and the 19th of June. And the written test will be between the 2nd and the 14th of September. ¿Vale? Ya estaremos hablando un poquito de esto. ¿De acuerdo? Okay, thank you very much. Thank you, Lucia. Say bye-bye to them.
Bye bye.
See you in the next video. Thank you.